Welcome everyone to this chapter titled Starter Batteries, Instant Power, Maximum Reliability. Starter batteries are critical in vehicles and machines with internal combustion engines. They provide the burst of power needed to start engines running. In this lesson, we'll explore their roles, key technical specs, the technologies behind them, and how to use and maintain them efficiently. Let's dive in. The starter battery plays three key roles. First, it delivers a very high current, several hundred amps, to crank the engine. Second, it temporarily powers the vehicle's electrical systems until the alternator kicks in. And third, it ensures automatic startup in generator sets when the power goes out. In short, without this battery, modern engines wouldn't start reliably. Let's break down how the starting system works. When you turn the key or press start, the battery activates a solenoid, which pushes a gear, called a pinion, to engage the engine's flywheel. The starter motor turns, initiating the engine's combustion cycle. Once the engine is running, the system disengages automatically. In generator sets, the process is automatic. The system detects a power outage, starts the engine, and then begins generating electricity. Meanwhile, a charger replenishes the battery for the next cycle. Here are the key specs you need to understand when evaluating a starter battery. Capacity, R, how much energy the battery stores. Peak current, A, especially cold cranking amps, CCA, which indicates how much power it can deliver in cold conditions. Voltage, usually 12V or 24V, depending on the application. Battery reference, which type of chemistry is used. Dimensions, since batteries must physically fit into designated compartments. When choosing a battery, consider required voltage, typically 12V or 24V, peak current and capacity, especially for accessory system startup time and starting current requirements, and always ensure the battery matches the system's needs, including its cold weather performance, measured by CCA. There are several starter battery technologies available. Lead acid, traditional and affordable, but sensitive to vibration and needs maintenance. Lead calcium AGM, more modern, sealed, lower maintenance, and more resistant to slow discharge. However, they're sensitive to overvoltage and less effective in very cold climates. Continuing with the battery types, gel batteries offer excellent deep discharge and temperature resistance, but are slower to charge and costly. Lithium batteries, lightweight, powerful, fast charging, but expensive and require a BMS for safe operation. EFB, enhanced flooded batteries, great for start-stop systems, offering more cycles than traditional lead acid, though less efficient than AGM. To get the best performance and lifespan from your starter battery, keep it charged, check voltage regularly, avoid deep discharges, protect it from extreme heat and cold, ensure the alternator is working, clean terminals, avoid overcharging, use a battery management system when needed, replace aging batteries promptly, try to avoid cold starts whenever possible. Good maintenance is key. Here's what to do. Perform regular inspections, keep it clean and dry, check the electrolyte level if applicable, test voltage regularly, inspect the alternator, monitor battery temperature, test its starting capacity, protect terminals from corrosion, and avoid deep discharges. Common issues with starter batteries include low voltage, corroded terminals, charging system faults, cold weather starting difficulty. Begin with simple checks, such as voltage and connections. Then perform load or CCA tests. Solutions range from cleaning and recharging to complete replacement. Keep diagnostics systematic. To wrap up, the starter battery is essential for reliable engine starts. Choosing the correct battery based on current, capacity, and technology is critical. With regular maintenance, a battery can last longer and perform better. A good battery strategy means fewer failures and smoother operation, even in the most demanding conditions.